Hello students. Today I'm going to show you how to navigate your online textbook. So once you sign on, you will see all of your different classes, but I only have my one class, so you'll pick Pew's World History. And then to read the textbook, you'll come down here. Again, you might have your science and your math books here, but you want to click on Interactive Student Edition, Interactive ebook. And then from here, you are able to navigate throughout the entire textbook. So when you click here, the table of contents, you can go directly to where you want to go in the book. So you can go to chapter 2, and then all of the different lessons. But we are on chapter 7, so you'll go to chapter 7. Then you'll go to lesson 1, because that is the lesson we are on. As you can see, they also have lesson 2, lesson 3. So we're going to go to lesson 1, and then as you can see, you can scroll up and down, and then you can read the textbook. So we will go all the way down, and then these are the questions that will need to be answered for this assignment. So lesson 1, review and activity. So questions 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, if you have any questions, please let me know, and you can email me those questions. Alright, thank you, class.